I actually can't believe it. We have done it. We have just hit 30 motherfucking thousand subscribers. And I'm staring at some guy's arsehole. Nice.
Michael, it smells like you have shit yourself.
Gary, what the fuck? Oh, that's good. Now, before I get into today's video, basically, which isn't going to be a very entertaining one, please don't watch this video if you don't give a fuck about the channel, you know what I mean? Like, if you don't give a shit about the channel, but you give a shit about the videos that I create, obviously, watch them. Come back for another video that might be a bit more entertaining to you. So, we actually hit 30,000 subscribers, and recently, mate, it's actually mind-boggling. Like, look at me. Do I look like the type of person to have 30,000 subscribers?
If you want some, I'll give it you.
No, honestly, 30,000 subscribers to some people is nothing. You got YouTube out here with bloody 40 million subscribers now. It's crazy. But like, honestly, 30,000 to me is like a personal best on Wii Sport Bowling. Now, I've honestly been on YouTube for 7 whole years, and like, this is something I want people to realise. If there's people who have just started out YouTube and they're like looking at my channel and they're like, how do you have 30,000 subscribers? It's been a grind. I don't want it to sound braggy or some sort of inspirational shit, because it's really not. I have literally just been posting on YouTube for 7 years, and it's because I fucking love YouTube. If you think about it, I've literally given up my life right now for YouTube. People have been going off to uni, people have been, you know, getting apprenticeships. I'm here with a part-time job and a YouTube channel, purely because it's what I want to do. When I get to the weekend, which is when I have to work, like properly work, not YouTube, I just feel so shit, because I literally just want to do YouTube all week, 7 days a week. I'm just a normal guy. I don't know if people actually see that I am a normal guy because of how like jokey I am and stuff like that, but off camera, 100% normal guy. I am really jokey off camera, but that's like 30% of the time, because nobody's gonna be like 100% of the time jokey and, you know, how I act on camera. I'm just a normal guy, and I've got hundreds, if not thousands, of people commenting, DMing me on Instagram. Like, I've had people seriously message me on Instagram saying that I've helped them through hard times, you know what I mean? To me, all I'm doing is releasing videos that I love, doing like car accessory videos, stuff like that, and it's honest, it warms my heart when people say stuff like that. Not on an ego basis or something, more on I can't believe my work has made somebody feel like that, you know what I mean? This car is probably the main reason why I actually have 30,000 subscribers. When most YouTubers get a milestone, they give away something, but giveaways are just shit. No lie, they are just shit, because only the people who win are going to be the happy ones. If I could give away 10,000 or 30,000, you know, I don't know, air fresheners or bloody iPads, I would. If you've got to this point in the video, comment aircon, because then I know you're a true G. The only thing I really can do is, like I say in most of my milestone videos, is just create more better videos, try and make bigger and better videos, like, yeah. That's all I can really do for you guys, to be honest. So yeah, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Overall, I just want to say a big thank you. I'm really bad at like getting my point across, but truly, I'm in a position right now that I never thought I'd be in. Like, I really do appreciate everybody subscribing, liking the video and commenting. I'm really bad at talking. That's it for today's video, unfortunately. 30,000 subscribers, thank you guys so much. Hopefully this video was some sort of entertaining video to some people. I do see you guys always commenting, the ones who always comment, the ones who almost DM me, supporting the channel. I'll probably see you in the comments in this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for the 30,000 subscribers, and I'll see you love faces in my next video. Wow.